In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply promo code in Klook. Klook makes it easy to save money on travel activities, tickets, and experiences with a promo code, and the key is knowing exactly where to enter it so the discount shows up before you pay. Here's how to do it smoothly from start to finish. Begin by opening the Klook app or visiting the Klook website. For the best experience, make sure you're on the latest version of the app and signed into your account so your discount and booking details sync properly. Next, search for the activity you want. When you find the right one, select Book Now to open the booking page. Choose your date and any required options, such as time slots, ticket types, traveler count, or add-ons. You'll see the price update as you make selections. If you plan to keep browsing and bundle multiple activities into one order, pick Add to Cart. If you're ready to pay for this activity now, choose Continue to move ahead. Head to the checkout page where you'll review your order. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Discounts or Promo Code. Tap Use Promo Code to open the entry field. Carefully type or paste your code exactly as it appears. Avoid extra spaces before or after the code and double check for any characters that might be easy to mix up. When you're ready, tap Redeem or Apply. Give it a moment to process. If the code is valid for your booking, you'll see the discount applied right away. The order total will update to reflect the savings before you proceed with payment. This is your confirmation that the code worked. If you don't see a change, review the usual terms. Many codes require a minimum spend, are limited to specific destinations or activities, exclude certain options, or have expiration dates. If necessary, re-enter the code, verify your selections meet the terms, or remove any stray spaces. Once the discount appears in your total, select your payment method and complete the purchase. Remember, the discount must show in your total before you pay. Once an order is placed, promo codes typically can't be added retroactively. Also note that most orders allow only one promo code, and some discounts can't be stacked with credits or other offers. That's it. By following these steps, searching your activity, setting your date and options, heading to checkout, entering the code, and confirming the reduced total, you'll lock in your savings confidently and pay the right price on Klook.